In this tutorial, I'm going to briefly talk about the reporting with events on the Wedding Experts. So I'm on the dashboard. If you need to know how to access the dashboard and log into your account, there's a separate tutorial that'll walk you through that. Once you're in the dashboard, you will scroll down and find the event. If you have multiple items listed on the Wedding Experts, you want to make sure that the item that you're wanting reporting details on is highlighted. And you know that because it has the pinkish red highlight to the left. This is just a test event that is not turned on. That's why you still see that it says pending. But over here on the right-hand side, this shows activity report. This will show you the number of total viewers that have seen your event, as well as if anyone has messaged you from your event listing on the Wedding Experts. Those are called leads. If someone has messaged you in regards to your event through the Wedding Experts, you are notified by email, but also those are listed down here in the bottom of your screen. And this activity report is updated by the minute, and you have access to log in 24/7 to see this reporting at any time.